Welcome once again, everyone, to another CLK Video Productions product review. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be looking at this animal right here. It is a TEMU U87 unbranded microphone that you can purchase at TEMU for $20 to $30 right now, if it's still available. Usually it's a limited time offer. They'll pop out, it'll pop up once in a while here and there. It'll be sold at a really low price, and then it bails. And the reason why it sells like hotcakes is because it looks like a Neumann U87. And TEMU actually uses the same model designation as Neumann does. So it looks like a Neumann, but does it sound like one? And is the quality just as good? Or close to? That's what we're going to find out today. So stick with it. We're going to come back and we're going to start doing a sound check on this thing. Welcome again, folks, and we are back. And now we're going to talk about accessories. First off, well, you don't get a lot of things. You know, for the money, you can't expect a lot. This, you get a, looks like about a 6.5 foot cord, or 2 meters, XLR to XLR cable. Now, it's a cheapie, but if you're just starting out and you need a cable, it'll suffice. No problem, okay? You also get this plastic suspension mount, which looks identical to the Neumann's suspension mount. Only this one is this very, very cheap. It feels like almost it's going to snap like a wafer cracker in my hand. It works. It definitely works. No problem, because it's the same design factor as the Neumann. But the main problem I have with it is this thumb screw right here. The gearing, when you lock it down, which the thread and the nut holding it on this thumb screw are metal, but when you lock it down, the gears that are supposed to hold it aren't they're not doing it. They ain't cutting it. So the microphone started drooping all the time on me. It was like, you know, kind of like this. And it was like irritating me, because I like my microphone leveled off, you know, like it is right now. So in order for me to get it like this, I had to boost it up a little bit, about a 45-degree angle, wrench the living out of it, then let go, and it dropped to this level right here. So I got a good guess on it right there. So I wasn't very happy about that, and I don't expect this shock mount to last very long. Now, as far as quality goes, you're listening to it right now. And I gotta say, for a microphone that cost me $25, I can't remember exactly, I think it's $22, it's not too bad. It actually sounds pretty good. It's got good bottom end. It's not very bright. The mid-ranges are decent, but it's not a very bright microphone. Don't expect a lot on the highs. You're going to get a lot of deep tone out of this thing. As you can hear, I actually cranked up the treble on my voice, and I'm almost at max right now, and this is where we're at. It doesn't sound very bright to me. I'm not hearing a lot of highs on it. So we're going to take another break, and we're going to do the actual sound testing, which consists of Plosive and Sibilance. We'll be right back. All right, friends, I am back, and it is the moment of truth. We're going to be doing a sound test right now, and this is where we'll see if it really shines or not. All right, well, it's a condenser microphone, so I'm not expecting a lot as far as plosives go. I'm expecting a disaster. So let's try it. All right, here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. How many packs of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Sibilance test. She sells seashells by the seashore. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Okay, it was pretty much what I expected. You know, the Plosives are bad. Sibilance, fair. Kind of, you know, had some, you know, Plosives on the B's as well. Let's try it with a windscreen and see how it works out. If it doesn't fall down on me. Alrighty, now we have the windscreen on, and we are going to try the Plosives and Sibilance once more. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. How many packs of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? She sells seashells by the seashore. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Well, no, not much difference on Plosives. Sibilance is okay, and the B's it really helped out on. I think we need a pop filter. And that's what we're going to put on. So give me a second. I'm going to put it on. Okay, folks, we have the pop filter on now with the windscreen, and we're going to see how she does. Just so you know, you see how this this guy is starting to droop a little bit? Yeah. It's drooping a little bit. But anyways, let's get back to the point here. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. How many packs of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? She sells seashells by the seashore. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Okay, now we're talking. Sounds good. No Plosives? Sibilance okay? And B's okay. I think we're good to go. You're going to have to use, you know, it's a condenser microphone. They're sensitive. It's just the way it is. You know, you're going to pick up everything in a room if you don't have a treated room. This one isn't treated, you know, so you pick up every damn thing there is. The HVAC, the car driving down the street, the wife screaming at you, that kind of thing. So, anyways, I think it sounds pretty good. I don't like this damn, you know, shock mount. It sucks. But on my wrap up, I'm going to say this thing was definitely a good buy. I'm pretty impressed with it, actually. I think it's well worth the $20. Now, I don't know. It's only a limited time offer now. I don't even know this thing is available again, because they'll sell out. They'll get a bunch of them. They'll sell them. Won't have them for a while, bring them back again. It'll be like almost like the McRib at McDonald's, that kind of deal, you know, where they just bring it back like once a year or something. So this is the McRib of microphones. I'll call it that. So anyways, my friends, I don't think I have much more than this. I don't know if it's still available, but, you know, try it, take a look at it. I'll see if there's a link. If it is available, I will put the link in the description box. If they don't see one, then they're probably, you know, there's probably not available anymore. So that'll be kind of a drag. But anyways, friends, I really appreciate you, you know, stopping by again, watching my review. If you really like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notifications that tell you, hey, Chris has made a new video. Let's go check it out. Then you can get the popcorn and the whole family can sit around the computer screen. Isn't that nice? All right. Thanks a lot, you guys. Bye-bye. She sells seashells by the seashore. Seashell